this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 6.0, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the property is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. You can bring them home and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and hotels are available for this property along with various maintenance and policies. To book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience